Nancy Sewell, and I'm the product manager for the learning branch of XPLANE, developing new tools, resources, and learning opportunities. So today I'm going to walk you through one of our most beloved frameworks now available as a digital canvas and mural. So at XPLANE, we believe in leading with vision. A vision is a powerful anchor to align and inspire your team to action. We use the vision map all the time, internally and with clients to illustrate the vision. So to get started, define your current state. What does the world look like today? You can have participants post up individually or as a team and discuss common themes together. And invite participants to use images and icons from the left-hand navigation bar to paint a picture. Next, ask participants to define the future state. What will the future look like when you've accomplished your goal? Again, use the icons and image options in the mural to paint the picture. Finally, jump back to the center and invite participants to build a bridge between the two worlds. What are the key steps, elements, and specific actions you will need to close the gap between the two worlds? You might need to do a quick brainstorm at first, then organize them into overarching themes like we've done. Once this is all done, you have a compelling narrative to tell the story of change you'd like to see, the steps it'll take to get there, and align others toward the future vision. For more tools like this, visit our website at xplane.com/learning. Thank you.